Permeable pavers remain warmer than impervious surfaces by as much as 14 degrees, so shoveling may not be required as often.
In fact, in a typical DC winter, you will only need to shovel snow off your pavers if there are more than 2 inches present, as the rest will melt and drain through the gaps during the day.
Limit the use of salts and use only environmentally sensitive deicers such as sodium chloride and calcium chloride in their recommended dosages. Never use deicers containing magnesium, as these chemically degrade all types of concrete.
You should also avoid placing snow piles that contain sand on or nearby your pavers to avoid clogging them. If you have large snow piles, make sure they are located on the adjacent grassy areas so that the sediment and pollutants in snowmelt can be absorbed by the grass rather than by the paver system.